What is a hash table?
A hash table is a data structure that allows you to store and retrieve values quickly using unique keys. It works like a highly organized list, where each piece of data has its own special slot. By using a process called hashing, it turns keys into locations, making searching for data fast and efficient, even with large amounts of information.
How hash tables work?
Hash tables use a hash function to turn each key into an index. When you add a key-value pair, the hash function decides where to put it. If you want to find the value later, the hash function tells you exactly where to look. This means you don't need to search the whole table. Just go straight to the spot the hash function points to.
Why hash tables are so fast?
Hash tables provide nearly instant access because they avoid slow searching. Most operations, like adding, finding, or deleting a value, take constant time, regardless of the table's size. This is much faster than searching through a list or array, especially as the collection grows larger. That's why hash tables are a favorite for software that needs fast lookups.
Common uses of hash tables.
Hash tables are used in many everyday programming tasks. They're great for creating dictionaries, counting occurrences of items, removing duplicates, or building caches. Many programming languages use hash tables behind the scenes for things like objects or maps, making them one of the most important tools in a coder's toolkit.
Tips and limitations.
The hash tables are powerful, but not perfect for every situation. Collisions can happen when two keys hash to the same spot, and handling them efficiently is important. Hash tables can also use extra memory, and their order is not guaranteed. Still, for fast lookups and dynamic collections, they are often the best choice.